If you're looking for a way to deodorize your fridge and you have no idea where to start, check this out. This is the Fridge Ninja Fridge Deodorizer. I've been using this for a couple of weeks and it's working great for me. Couple of cool things about this guy. If I open it up right here, so I just popped it open, and you'll notice this is the charcoal bag that actually does the deodorizing. And on the back here of the product, it actually talks about how you can recharge it in direct sunlight every month, and then it actually starts working again. And honestly, this thing has been working great for me. I have no complaints. One of the coolest things about it, when you're using this guy, it gets rid of super strong odors, and I had a fridge with a ton of strong odors, and I started running this guy in the fridge, and I no longer am noticing that strong odor getting into the flavors of kind of the softer flavored items in the fridge. So this guy does its job. It's working for me, and I have these in 2 fridges and they're working great. So if you're in the market for a fantastic fridge deodorizer, I think this thing is amazing and I highly recommend it.